To come in from the residence of Dr. Manmohan Singh. As a short while back, we saw the Prime Minister being present there, paying his tributes. Along with him, Union Ministers like JP Nadda and Amit Shah, Union Minister Rajnath Singh, who has also reached, Sonia Gandhi has also reached, and also getting the pictures of the Delhi LGS. Tetri is sharing those details with us right now. Tetri, the updates, please. Top political leaders arriving at the residence of the former Prime Minister.
Well, absolutely. You rightly mentioned, all the top political leaders are arriving at the residence of former late Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and in fact, as of now, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar is present, and in fact, also Delhi LG is present. VK Saxena, Rajnath Singh was also present, and just few seconds back, Rajnath Singh left a few seconds back after paying homage to late former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and also now we are expecting that in a few minutes from now, Congress leaders will also start arriving. Congress President Mallikarjun will come, Rahul Gandhi will also come, and in fact they will also be paying homage. Also, what we are getting to know is that tomorrow the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh will be taken to Congress headquarters. There also the Congress leaders will be gathering, they will be paying homage. The central government has already declared a 7-day mourning period after Manmohan Singh passed away, and not just that, but also Congress party had cancelled all their meetings, all their events, because certainly Dr. Manmohan Singh is not someone who has just been the Prime Minister from 2004 to 2014, but he has also given his immense contribution in Indian economy at such a point of time in period of 1991 to 1996, when India's economical growth was not good, it was highly unstable, and at that particular point of time he got such reforms, and that is why he is also known to be the architect of Indian economy. And in fact,
absolutely, and that brought about a significant change, especially when it comes to India's economic policies. As we are staying with those updates coming in from the residence of the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, top political leaders there arriving to pay their respects.